second one is our own Shankar ji, and I did not use your image, Shankar ji. I have used our selfie because you're the only person I met from my entire community offline. Okay. So, Shankar ji, I would want you to welcome, and you have achieved normal BP, stopped insulin also. You're climbing five floors easily, and inner peace, right? So, yes, let me see where is Shankar ji. Yes, Shankar ji, adding you to the spotlight. Please unmute. Everyone type congratulations to Shankar ji. Yes, Shankar ji, over to you. Please tell us how Healathon has helped you.
I would like to introduce my wife also in this section.
Oh, wow. Namaskar. Hare Krishna. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining.
Since 2018, I got into, I was having a very good, healthy body. And after that, that's 2020. So after that, I started developing diabetics and blood pressure. In this palpitation in the midnight 2 o'clock, I kept the meter, then checked up 2 o'clock, it is 148 palpitation around. So then I have to go through a process, and then I got it in the Apollo and got it repaired. And the sugar after that went up from the range itself is fasting is 150 to 256. And today I think it has come down. The sugar has now today it's about 100 to 129. There is
Congratulations.
That's the prescription given by our naturopathy doctor. See, the BP, I have the knowledge of how to this one, but I don't have the technology or the technique. I was searching for this one. God has sent me a message, Messiah. Her name was Nehha ji. In this moment, I find not only the BP and sugar, my inner peace, joy, enthusiasm, eager to look for the sessions, a confidence to get. See, sometimes the BP also shows its ugly head. I know how to tackle it. I take the breathing technique of this one.
Absolutely.
See, one thing, in personal experience also, I have seen knowledge makes us arrogant. Knowledge makes us critical. Knowledge makes us judgmental. Tear the opponent to pieces. And knowledge makes us manipulative. So, in contrast, I see a person, human, highly trustworthy. See, in Sanskrit it says, Vidya goes with Vinaya. Knowledge is gained only when there is humility.
Humility. Vinaya is humility. Yes.
Vidya goes with Vinaya. And see, when I sought Messiah, I got that. Messiah, I got this. Her communicating ability in both Hindi and English. And skillful in human relationship. All these things is inspiring. So, I have placed my trust on her. I appeal to one and all. See, because all these things, the one ego has got a tendency, I know. Moment we have the I know attitude, I know pretty well that we know nothing and we believe that we know.
Yes.
This is called Muda in Sanskrit. Colossal fool. So, only request to those who are aspiring to join or anybody who is in the beginning, place trust in our coach. Absolutely, I think I have noticed that this has helped me because I have not completely transformed or anything, but it has definitely shown me what you call a light, light in the tunnel. You see
the possibilities are there. Yes.
possibilities, and that is there.
Absolutely.
And last but not the least, I need to thank a few people. You, madam, one, my wife, who has implemented what you suggested, and to all the fellow people. Really, I tell you, one person I have got really impressed is Rupal ji and Sanjeev ji.
Yes.
Knowledge, I think, the way in which he shares, amazing. And Bharati ji, and even Geeta ji also. With all of this one. And I find one person who really makes me to dance Bhangra dance is Deedar ji. All other people, one by one, I can tell. But really, I find that absolutely, you are all source of inspiration to me. There are times where the spirit goes down. That time you stood, by meeting you all, seeing you all, how much joyful I am. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shankarji. I would want every one of you to please again unmute. I have allowed you to unmute. Please say congratulations to Shankarji.
Congratulations,
Shankar ji. बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Congratulations, brave heart, Shankar ji.
Shankar ji, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. I'm keeping everyone on mute now. So, yes, Shankarji, many of the people ask me for one-on-one session or a personal session but I always say in this community format, in a group format, we learn more. Yes, Shankarji, how much do you agree to this?
101%.
101%, right? That's why I don't take. People are ready to pay. Oh, we will pay you so much for a one-on-one session. But I said, no, you, if you want, you come into my community, you join this, right? So thank you, Shankarji. You have created that spirit of community, and you hold every one of us. So thank you so much for that. And I'm so grateful to have you. Thank you once again.